So hello guys, today I got the package from SP Connect and let's unbox it and see what's inside. It says open here, so let's do as they say. So the package list we have here: phone case, anti-vibration module and clutch mount pro. Great. And also I got some Haribos. Anti-vibration module and phone case. So story behind this, I had a problem with my last phone. My camera broke, the vibration sensor broke because of the vibrations of the MV Agusta. If you're gonna buy the cheap one, it's gonna break your phone. So I recommend doing this, and let's go and install the products on the bike. So first thing first, we have to unscrew this bolt here, as I already did. And then we will screw in this clutch mount in the same hole where we took out the bolt before. So now when we install the clutch mount, we have to unscrew the central bolt and screw in the vibration module. So here we got the vibration part installed. We have to take off the central screw and put it in with a new longer screw that we got in a package with this vibration module. So let's put the phone case so I can show you how this thing should look. You can also do this without vibration mount, but if you have a motorcycle, I really highly recommend you to get this part as well, because there are other modules that you can put just for the phone case without this vibration module. So when it sticks together, you rotate it and it's perfectly in place. It doesn't take off. It's really good quality. And I would show you this with my phone, but currently I'm recording with my phone since camera is not available at the moment. And you can see how this final product looks on the bike. I really like it. This is amazing.